All right, now let's talk about Uno's duplicate feature. Duplicate allows you to create as many buttons as you need very, very quickly. Let's say, for example, right here, I have all of these buttons, and let's say they all use the exact same normal map. Now, I could just go into each button and manually add the normal action, but that would take a lot of time. So an easier way is I'm going to go into the first button, add the normal, and save. Then I'm gonna go open that button again, and I'm going to select duplicate. As you can see, it'll say duplicate mode is enabled. So now I simply touch all the other buttons, and then when I want to turn off duplicate mode, I simply hold click. Like if I was going to the settings menu, you'll see that it says duplicate mode disabled. And then as you can see, when I click all the other buttons, it contains the exact same normal action that I had set up on the first one. This will save you a lot of time, and it will duplicate all the actions on the button that you chose to duplicate. So if you have a lot of buttons that all use the same normal and specular map, you only need to create one, and then you just use duplicate to add it to all the other buttons in a matter of seconds. And that's it. That's how you use the duplicate function.